Congratulations, your pregnancy test is positive. Now what should you do next? As soon as you see your positive pregnancy card test, make sure you visit your doctor at the earliest. Why should you do this? Because number one is starting your prenatal vitamins well ahead. This is very important because folic acid is very essential for the neural tube formation in the fetus. Just not that. You also should make sure that you tell all your medical history to your doctor, such that any previous medical conditions that you're taking medications for, any previous surgeries, all that should be discussed with your doctor during the early weeks of pregnancy. Next, you should also say if you have any history of ectopic or tubal pregnancies in the past. This is also very important because tubal pregnancies, if treated medically, can again recur during the present pregnancy also. So you need to make sure that this pregnancy is not an ectopic pregnancy. Last but not the least, as soon as you see a positive pregnancy test, start avoiding smoking, alcohol intake, or any exposure to toxic chemicals. Because if any of these done during pregnancy can have a lethal effect in the fetus. If you love this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press on that notification bell icon so that you receive regular updates on upcoming videos in my channel. I post regular videos on topics related to pregnancy and motherhood. This is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar, your positive pregnancy expert, signing off. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mommified.